friends, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today we're diving into the world of castor oil. Yes, that thick golden oil you might have seen in your grandma's medicine cabinet. But did you know it has some incredible uses beyond just a laxative? Stick around as we explore 7 little known uses of castor oil that may surprise you. And don't forget to drop a comment below if you've tried any of these or if you have your own uses of castor oil. First up, let's talk about hair care. Castor oil is fantastic for the hair. It's a natural remedy for promoting hair growth. Just massage a few drops into your scalp and let it sit for a few hours before washing it out. Your hair will thank you. Next, did you know castor oil could be used as a natural moisturizer? It's packed with fatty acids that can hydrate and nourish the skin. Apply it to dry areas like your elbows and your knees. For me, my feet, for an instant relief. My favorite is I like to put it on my lips at night. It's an amazing lip moisturizer. Number 3. Now this may surprise you. It can help with acne. Castor oil has antibacterial properties that can help reduce breakouts. Just to apply a little dab on an infected area before bed, and in the morning you may just have much clearer skin. Coming up at number 4, castor oil can really soothe sunburn. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and promotes healing. My favorite thing to do is I have an aloe vera plant, and I like to take the gel from the aloe and mix it with the castor oil for a extra soothing effect. It works amazing. Number 5, let's talk about joint pain relief. Castor oil can be used for a soothing massage. Just warm it up a little bit, rub it on the sore joints or muscles. It's a natural way to ease discomfort after a long day. I also add it to my joint and muscle rub. I can link that in the description below. It penetrates super deep. It's the oil that penetrates the deepest, so it is really incredible for aches and pains for muscles and joints, also with its anti-inflammatory properties. So this is one of my favorite. Number 6 is a surprising one. Castor oil can help eyelash growth. Maybe not so surprising since it does help hair growth. Apply a tiny amount onto your eyelashes before bed, and you might just have fuller lashes. And finally, at number 7, castor oil is a natural remedy for constipation. While this is a more well used of castor oil, it is worth a mention because it takes just a very small amount to help get things moving. Instead of ingesting it though, I like to use castor oil packs. I do have a full video on that. I can link that in the description below, and it really not only helps me sleep better, it's a great liver detoxifier, and not having to drink it is a plus. And because it penetrates so deeply, applying it on the skin and using a castor oil pack has the same benefit. There you have it, 7 little known uses for castor oil that you can start using today that will be beneficial to your health and body. Have you tried any of these? Or do you have your own uses for castor oil? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be blessed, remember your love, and here's to your health. Bye!